Okay. We have two different skincare packages. Just have to screw this to the bottom. This looks so good. Hi there, Naya here. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hope you guys are doing well. Just tell me how you're doing, okay? I'm actually starting out this vlog on a Wednesday, and I haven't been around. I got back today and I have tons of my packages that came in. I want to go ahead and unbox that with you guys, okay? Unboxing is not fun without doing it with you guys. These three are from AliExpress, and these are my skincare products that I got. I actually have two different skincare packages because this is where I shop from now, but they did not have some of my skincare, so I had to shop from a different place. Surprisingly, she was so fast. She actually delivered the next day. Next, let's go ahead and open up this AliExpress package. Let me just clear that up. So guys, as you can see, I have okay, I remember ordering this for my camera, for like putting and storing your camera, something to help organize my camera. And yes, so this is eyes makeup. This is just like a random buy, okay, just for organizing documents. This is a multi-purpose tripod stick. I saw Ngozi, okay, I saw her, she posted it on her Instagram story talking about how amazing this is, and I've been looking for something like this for a long time. Immediately I saw her posted it, I was like, please, I need this in my life. So she gave me the link. Immediately, I just had to put it in my cart. Do you know how many content you can take while you're out, but you're not able to do it? Because nobody is there to help you take pictures, or nobody is there to help you make videos. Like, if you're a content creator, this tripod stick is a must-have. It is so helpful. Use this on your camera and as well as on your phone. It's extendable. This is like when you're on the go, okay, when you're traveling, whatever, like when you're going away for the weekend or whatever, and you don't want to take your bulky tripod. This amazing. The quality is unbelievable. It is very, very long. So that is that for the first package. Let's move on to the second package, okay? So let's just go ahead and open them up. Where they package delicate stuff, like I have never experienced any occasion whereby I got something fragile and it came broken, because they really take out their time to package their stuff. What I just love about AliExpress, even though it comes damaged, they refund you. This is the mirror. I can't believe how huge this package is. So this mirror is like a tabletop lighted makeup mirror. I never knew it was this huge, honestly. The cord for charging MG, like I love this. It also has this other side which is magnifying, makes everything much closer. Just have to screw this to the bottom like so. This is so fine, but guys, honestly, the quality of this thing is unbelievable. It has this warm tone, also has this fluorescent, and yeah, I think it has 3 tones. So guys, the last package, okay, so this is what, okay, at the matte color. This is so pretty. My room is gradually coming together, you guys. This is the control button right here. Like, this just made me so happy because it is exactly what I wanted. Right here is the charging point. So guys, I am so excited. I woke up to 100k subscribers on my hair channel. I'm so excited. I wasn't even expecting to reach 100k this quick because I haven't been that consistent on my hair channel, okay? And I knew I was going to hit it this year, but not today. I can't still believe it that I already hit 100k subscribers on my channel. It's still surreal to me. I actually plan on doing a 100k shoot before I hit 100k subscribers. So this morning I plan on doing something like just a little shoot to celebrate. Nobody is around. I am the only one around. My sister is out. Initially she was the one that was supposed to help me take the shoot. I have actually done a DIY shoot before. I did that for my little sister and actually came out well. So that is what I plan on, replicating. Guys, whenever you're reaching for something, if you have a goal, make sure you get an accessory for that thing, okay, and keep it. What I usually do is that whenever I want something or I am working towards something, yeah, I purchase something that will, attract that thing faster. So I actually got this while I was still in school. I think this was from last year or early this year, I can't remember. So these are like balloons, ribbons. Plan was to go for gold, but I couldn't find the complete 100. I ordered this from Shein since I could not find it, the complete one. Let me just go ahead and put everything together. So let's go ahead and do that. Not like I picked anything, just that the balloons are pink, so I just decided to change my sheets to pink. See, can you see that? Up to like 2. I only had just enough of the pink balloons to make 100. One got damaged. So I guess I'm just going to make it work. I'll just probably use this to make up the 0. This is the K. This is what we have so far. This is looking good. This looks pretty good. So, spin top. So it is currently 2 2:53, almost 3 o'clock. I just came here to have a what is this? Okay, pick something quick to eat because I am starving. So I have a lot to do today. I still have one video to film for my hair channel because that will be going up on Sunday, so I need to film it today. So I just want to eat, then go tidy up a bit, then I will just get into editing. So my siblings are coming for the weekend, so I don't think I'll have that time to do anything like film or edit for the weekend. So I just want to make sure I get it done between today and tomorrow, so I'll be free during the weekend. So for lunch, we are having abacha and nkwobi. My sister made this and I can't wait to dig into this. Like, I can't remember the last time I had this. This looks so good. Hey guys, so today is Monday. It is currently 4 p.m. My sisters went back this morning. This weekend was so fun. It was amazing. We had a lot to catch up on. We had a lot to talk about. It has been long since we've come together like this. It was amazing. I've actually missed my the rest of my siblings so much. So this weekend I just wanted to have a nice weekend with them, so that is why I did not really vlog that much. It was an amazing weekend. And I just came on here to close this vlog. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.